Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to collect all the texture and asset in one folder with the help of Collect Asset script. And how to install and use the Collect Asset script. Before to start, please like and subscribe my channel. First go to the browser. And go to this link. Link is down below in the description. Scroll down the page. In the attachment you just have to click on the latest version of Collect Asset file. And it will be download easily. Open the download folder. I'm moving it on desktop. Now open 3ds Max. Now you just have to drag the Collect Asset MZP file into the 3ds Max viewport, so this will be installed automatically and maybe installer ask for install or update. Just click on install or update. Collect Asset is installed and it will show you the customize user interface steps. Just click on OK. And cancel it. Go to the Customize in main bar. And click on Customize User Interface. Click on the toolbars. In Category. Scroll down. Select Xirium. Here you will see the Collect Asset 2. Drag the Collect Asset in the main toolbar. It will be added easily. Just deleting the previous button. Before to open the Collect Asset I show you the all asset path which are on the different location. Press Shift plus T. Asset Collector will be open. Refresh it. You can see the multiple locations of the textures. Just close it. Before open Collect Asset. First go to the folder where you have to collect all the assets. Copy the path. Now Collect Asset. Click on Refresh. In Collect Asset directory. Click here. Give the folder location. And open it. Now click on the Collect. You can see it collecting all the asset of this file in that folder. If it's give you the same bitmap name error, you just have to mark it. Use the action for all files. And click on rename. So it will be fixed. When it's done, click on OK. And close it. Now open again Asset Tracking. Refresh it. Now you can see all path location is same. It's working perfectly. Hope you will like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. And leave the comment for any question. Thanks for watching.